The question says arrange each set of compounds in order of increasing boiling points. Okay, there are two set of compounds given here, first and second. And about boiling point we have learned, as the molecular weight of the compound increases, intermolecular force of attraction increases, and then boiling point also increases. Let me write this point. Higher the molecular weight, we have higher the molecular weight, higher is the intermolecular force of attraction, and higher is the boiling point. Remember this information. Okay, first one, better we can draw the structure, then we can identify the compounds. Okay, identify which one will have higher molar mass, because we need to check for the surface area. If branching is there, so surface area will decrease, and if the surface area decreases, boiling point also decreases. So we have first bromomethane is there, bromomethane. So we get CH3, it is Br is there, bromomethane first. Next, bromoform like chloroform, CHCl3. Similarly, we got bromoform, CHBr3. We got CHBr3. Keep in mind, you can see 3 Br are there. 3 Br. The molecular weight will be very high. So boiling point will also be very high. Next, chloromethane is there. Chloromethane, CH3, it is Cl is there. Chloromethane. Next, dibromomethane is there. Dibromomethane, we have CH2, it is Br2 is there. Br2. Okay. So you can see number of carbon are same. One carbon, one carbon, one carbon, one carbon. But halogens are different. And if you see, we can see ClBr is there. Br is having higher atomic mass than Cl is there. Cl. So we have to give to the priority to the compounds having Br, because in that case molecular weight will be higher. Okay. It has 3 Brs and it has 2 Brs. Okay. In these two, only one halogen is there. Okay. So obviously we got bromoform because it is having higher molecular weight. As Br, number of Br are increasing, so you can see molecular weight will also be increasing. So first we have a higher boiling point for the CHBr3. Br3 molecular weight for this will be very high because 3 Br are there. Okay. Next we have 2 Brs, CH2, and it is Br2 is there. CH2 Br2. In this case one halogen, in this case one halogen. Now we can see Br is having higher atomic weight than Cl. Then we can mention this is what we have, CH3, it is Br is there. In the last we get CH3, it is Cl is there. Okay. So decreasing order we have written, and it says increasing order, so we can flip it. So CH3 will have smaller than CH3Br, CH3Cl will have lowest boiling point, and CHBr3 will be having highest boiling point. If you want, I can write this is going to be CH3Cl increasing order. Then we get a CH3Br is there, and then we get CH2Br2 is there, Br2, and then in the last we get CHBr3 is there. Okay, move on to the next second set of compounds. We have second set, 1 chloropropane. So we got CH3, 3 carbon are there in the parent chain, CH3, CH2, and we got 1 chloro. Okay, next isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl is something like this, isopropyl. Okay, so let me write the structure, CH3 and CH, and it is CH3. Now you can see Cl is there. Number of carbon are same in this case, but you can see branching is there, and when the branching starts, surface area will be decreasing. In this case surface area this much, and in this case surface area this much, and as the surface area decreases, boiling point also decreases. Now next we have 1 chlorobutane. Okay, 1 chlorobutane, we got CH3, CH2, and this is butane. 1 chloro, Cl is there, 1 chlorobutane. So in this case you can see 3 carbon, in this case also 3 carbon, and in this case 4 carbon are there. Halogen is same. In this case you can see very interesting compound. In this case carbon was same and halogens were different. In this case halogens are same but carbon is different number of carbon. Okay. So now you can see having more number of carbon, as the number of carbon in a organic compound increases, molecular weight increases, and intermolecular force of attraction increases, and boiling point also increases. So since we have to write in the increasing order. So highest boiling point will be for 1 chlorobutane is there. So we can write this is one chlorobutane, CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH2. This is Cl is there, highest. Again increasing order. And in these two you can see number of carbon are same, 3 carbon, 3 carbon. But you can see it is a straight chain, but it is branching. In this case surface area is less because branching is there. So it will have lowest boiling point, and it will have it is coming in the second position. This is what CH3, it is CH2 and it is CH2 and it is Cl is there, CH2 and CH2. Okay, and in the last we have isopropyl chloride, CH3, due to the branching. This is the order we get. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.